Hey guys, so today I thought of baking some shortbread cookies using our Singer Tabletop oven. So let's get started. Add the butter into a bowl and the sugar. Now we're going to beat it until it's light and fluffy. Now we're going to add the egg to the batter, add the vanilla and add a pinch of salt. Okay, now we're going to add the flour little by little and fold it into the batter. So now we're going to flatten it using a rolling pin. Before that, you got to sprinkle a little bit of flour onto the board and also rub a little bit on the rolling pin. Okay, so you can use any shape to cut your cookies and I'm going to use the heart shape. Okay, so our shortbread cookies are ready to go into the oven, but before that, you got to sprinkle some sugar on each cookie. Alright, so here's our shortbread cookies. With the Singer Tabletop oven, you'll definitely be a home baker because it gives you 100% perfect baking results. So enjoy!